Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So I received this product as a gift to try out for you guys. It was a sponsorship. This is the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer with sunscreens built in. So I want you guys to take a look at this look. This is the look that I made with this tinted moisturizer. Take a look at it. Does it look like I'm wearing foundation? Because I'm not wearing no foundation. I'm only wearing this tinted moisturizer. And look at the coverage. I wanted to show you guys how well this product really works. This could be used for like an everyday foundation when you're not really using foundation. It's a moisturizer, it's good for your skin, and it gives you that coverage that you need for everyday basics. So why not? I have a lot of dark spots, and you guys could see this, like you can barely see them, and this is not a foundation. So yes, I really enjoy using this. Stay tuned for you guys to see how I started this look while using this. I want to show you guys me without no foundation, nothing at all, applying this product to show you guys the big difference, and then you'll see what I mean. So if you guys enjoyed this video at the end, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, now we're back with no foundation, no makeup, well, to try out this tinted moisturizer. So right in front of me I have the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. So pretty much I try to get the closest to my shade I could find. So this is what the packaging look like. I actually like this packaging. It's different. It's like it's not something you've seen before in most beauty product stuff. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this. So this is a positive light tinted moisturizer, broad spectrum, and then it has sunscreens on it, which is good. It's getting hot. Summer's right here, right around the corner, so this is perfect for that. And then it also says do not use on damaged or broken skin, keep out of eye, stop use if irritation occurs. The real reason why they make this type of tinted moisturizer is for the people that doesn't want to wear foundation but want something to like even out their skin tone, to look a little bit, you know, light. It's like when you're trying to apply a light makeup but not really makeup. So that's what that's for. And then the fact that it's about to be very sunny, summer is right around the corner, so I like the fact that it does have sunscreens built in, which is just perfect for the summer. Alright, so now we're gonna give it a try. This is what the item look like. Let me guys show you guys one more time. I like this little packaging. I think it's cute. I think it's really cute and adorable. So when you open it, this is what it look like. I'm just gonna give it a try. I don't even know how to really apply this, but we're just gonna try. So remember, this is moisturizer. I really don't know if this is really my skin tone, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so I am gonna apply it like I would apply my foundation, just because it's tinted. And from now, that's what I've seen a lot of people been using it at. I like this. Okay, so far I only added on this side of my face. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. This is without and this is with the tinted moisturizer. So I think it's very close to my skin tone. So that matches. I really like this. Like, it does what it's supposed to do. It's a very light coverage foundation, except the fact that it has all the moisturizing base that you need. So it's like applying moisturizer with a foundation at the same time. I like this. So we're gonna do the other side of the face. Can you show you guys? So one thing I noticed is when you're applying it, you could see how it's like very wet. And then this is the side I was done first, and you could see how like it kind of got better after. Okay, so I gotta say, it feels more of a foundation than a moisturizer. So you gotta remember it's a built-in, tinted moisturizer. But I like it. I like the coverage. I was not expecting full coverage at all, but I was expecting a little bit, just a little bit, enough for you to go to the grocery store or anywhere like the mall or something. Not nowhere fancy. I don't know. You guys let me know. What do you guys think? I like this. I mean, I have a lot of dark spots. Can you guys see them? You can barely see them. I like this coverage a lot. I really like it. And the fact that it's not foundation, it's amazing. I really love how this feels on my skin. I feel like I could have gotten a slightly lighter shade, but other than that, I'm perfectly fine. Okay, so now we're gonna do the forehead, obviously. So you guys always wanna tap and not like rub in. I'm using the same technique I use when I'm applying foundation. So that's what I'm using. I'm like tapping and just keep tapping until we have like an even shade, a good blend. Because to me, although it is a moisturizer, it does feel a lot more like foundation. I don't know why, but that's why I'm using the same technique. Because if you like rub it in like, because it's tinted, if you rub it in like a moisturizer, I don't know. I really don't know how that would work. Alright, you guys, tell me what you guys think about it. Overall, as like a tinted moisturizer, I think it did what it's supposed to do. I like it. I really do like it. I don't really feel like I have foundation on. I feel like it's a moisturizer, but at the same time, it gives me the coverage that I would need to just, put on for an everyday makeup. So I could say that I do like it. I enjoy using the product, and it feels very organic. So I definitely see what they were going for, and I'm glad that they sent me this product to try out for you guys. Yes, I said it. I was given this product to try out for you guys, so you guys could see what it looked like on me and give you guys my honest opinion, and I do like it. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I do think it did what it was supposed to do. You know what? I never used to try out a lot of tinted moisturizers. I must start giving this a try. Would I continue using this? Yes. Yes, I would. As a matter of fact, I might start using this more often. Then, I might really start using this from now on. So I really like this. This is my second item from their line, and I must say they are doing good, so I like this product. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.